how to cut hair in Photoshop. Now first of all I'll go to this tool options, and here I'll select this quick selection tool. Now what I'll do is I'll zoom in a little bit and select these hairs. As you can see that it is selecting the hairs. Make sure that your cutting is really good so that there won't be any blemishes. Yeah, so these are almost I'm there. I'll decrease its size. So what I'll do is I'll right click this and select layer via cut, and as you can see that these have been selected. Now if I will go here and turn this off and click this, you can see that only hair are selected. Now I can put these hairs to anywhere I want. You can see you can any character or any other picture. So this is how you can cut hair in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.